going back to moving people from Instagram to the website, are there any like quick hitters or just best practices? We started this conversation saying, here's all the stuff that you're stupid if you're not doing.
Mm-hmm.
So what are the real basic, like, you're just stupid if you're not doing this?
So still surprising. I don't think a lot of people know that you can have multiple links on your Instagram profile.
I saw this recently. I always thought it was just one, but then now I'm seeing two.
Yeah, I think Adam, who's in charge of Instagram, announced it like 4 months ago. It's been a while. So you can have multiple.
How many is multiple? Is there a limit?
I feel like there's 4 or 5.
Wow.
And it may change, like it's rolling out in different capacities. So
but you still can't put links in descriptions, comments, like in the conversation.
Oh my gosh. Hold on.
Okay.
No, but you should use like in your stories and stuff, like you can add the link there. So you can add as a sticker. But if you're an e-commerce brand, one little hat trick, all the shops have to be meta enabled now. You can't, unless you had it before, have your meta shop means that you're allowing Instagram and Facebook checkout. Of course, this varies depending on where your physical location is, but a lot of people will tag the photos with the product. Did you know that you can tag inside the comment with the product, and that will get you directly to that PDP?
What is a PDP?
The product display page, but the meta shop PDP. So if you're writing about these glasses and you're tagging the glasses in the picture, but someone's reading the comments and they're engaged with the comments, you can then tag this specific product in the comments, and it launches into that. The
meta-driven PDP, which is still in-app.
Yes.
So the continuity is strong, it's fast, and they can buy it using Facebook checkout.
Yep. And you'll be able to retarget those in your Facebook ads. But I think like just a small thing, like, so no, you can't do the links in the post, but you can tag the products the way you can tag people in comments. You can do that in the post description.
That's brilliant.
And that's been around for well over a year. And I still don't see brands tagging the product themselves. They're talking about the product, but not tagging the actual product that takes them faster to the purchase.
And it's such a small thing too, that could make a really significant difference. That's what's funny is you build up this massive following and then you don't capitalize on the following.
Yeah. Small little thing. That's like if you have an e-commerce store, tag the products, assuming you have meta enabled Facebook and Instagram shops and that you are in a country that allows it, but you can tag them.
Did you do an episode on Facebook shops?
Yes.
Okay. I thought so. We'll include a link to that in the show notes, because if you're in the e-com space and you're not using that, I feel like that might be the single biggest opportunity right now to differentiate yourself.
I would offer that the TikTok shops is bigger because that's a newer release.
Say that.
I'm sorry.
Ugh. I hate TikTok.
Okay. Do your customers hate TikTok? I don't care.
I don't have any 12-year-old customers.
Oh, strange.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm so old, Lauren. I opened it up and it just made me mad instantly. Like instantly.
Okay.
I'm like old, like get off my lawn. The minute I open up TikTok, I don't know what it is.
I'm going to mess up your algorithm. Give me your TikTok and I'm just going to follow a bunch of stuff.
That's the problem. Here's what bugged me is because it asks for information, demographic and psychographic information as you're creating your TikTok profile. Mm-hmm. And then what it started to deliver to me was so insulting. I'm like, this is who you think I am? Like, I don't know. And
do you consider yourself different than what they've portrayed?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. I just always thought I was more sophisticated. Lauren, it's been an absolute pleasure as always. We'd love to have you back on a regular basis. I think that's already planned, right?
It is.
How often are you coming?
Every other month.
That's not often enough.
Okay.
Who
Tom,
decided that cadence?
I think you were the one that decided this cadence, Tom, who I've been insulting this entire episode.
Yeah, I think it's going to be once a quarter and then once never again. Where can people find you if they want to work with you?
mongoosemedia.us or Lauren E. Petrullo on all socials.
And you do what professionally? Like, what would they be hiring you for specifically? Because you talk about a lot, but are you like a fractional CMO? You drive traffic? What's the value prop?
The value prop, we will help drive an avalanche of traffic to your website or to your brands is the main easy one.
An avalanche
of traffic. Do you want to look at how many thousands and thousands of traffic visitors we've gotten just for your Pinterest in 90 days?
Can't wait to see what you do with our TikTok.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You won't be on it.
No. Why Mongoose?
True story.
Okay.
My brother Brendan, when I was fired from the last agency I was working with, he said, you can come back. A mongoose is a really fierce animal. Can take on 2 snakes, can take on a lion. You are a mongoose. And then I said, okay, Mongoose Media. Because he didn't like my idea. I was going to do Goldilocks marketing.
I like Goldilocks.
Because I'm blonde and the marketing that's just right for your business. He's like, no, that's dumb. Be like the mongoose. Be fierce.
All right. I'm with your brother too, but they were both good.
Okay.
Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a rating wherever you happen to be listening.
The thing is like where people will focus on vanity metrics, it matters in small use cases when you're building affiliate deals or if you're trying to get press and publicity. Like, yes, those vanity metrics will come into play. But at the end of the day, if you're not making money, you're wasting time. And so
hold on for that nugget. That's